So many parents come in and inquire throughout the years. So they always ask me the question, what makes TweedleWink different than any other program in the marketplace? I used to say, oh, because we're Montessori based, and our curriculum is rich, and we know what to do, and we preserve the right brain, and so on and so forth. But as I go through the years, and I actually start to realize what makes TweedleWink different is our founding principle. Our founding principle of love. So we do everything with love. And we want to nurture anyone who come into our life, whether it is our teachers, or our parents, or our children. We do it through the love of them. So this is our foundation of TweedleWink spirit. Now the other one is imaging. We understand how the frequency works. The love we talked about in our previous workshop. Just a little bit review. And we talk about love languages, how we should talk to the children, and what's the impact to them. We also talk about the root of the parenting. The root of the parenting is the attachment. So we know the children through the attachment process at the first about 5-6 years. And they through attachment through the senses with the newborn, and then they attach through the likeness. They become copycat for the one who attached to, and then become possessive about age 2, and then they become significant. They wanted to be known by you for who they are. They want you to see them, to hear them. So if all attach correctly by age 4, they attach through love. They will give their heart to you. And that is a very vulnerable time because we can actually hurt the child because they give the heart to us. So Jen Nielsen, which is a very famous positive discipline author, and she talked about it. She said every experience or every incident a child receives, there's 3 things happen in them. How do they think? How do they feel? And what decisions they make. So all this forms opinion about themselves. So by age 5, your child's corpus prefrontal cortex get developed. So they are able to tell the truth from the lies. And that's another different stages of development. They can conceal a lie. They can pick and choose who they want to tell their secret to. Then we all know if children keep secret from us, it's going to create a barrier, especially later on in teenager time. How many of you heard about frequencies? We all heard about frequencies, right? Why is it important we know about frequency? Left brain is a conscious brain, right? So the left brain actually takes the fact, the knowledge of the facts. But the right brain children is the absorbing of the frequencies. So why this is important in an earlier time? How do the children receive and process frequencies? That's what we need to know. So they receive and process the frequencies through the senses. Sight, hearing, taste, smell, touch. Those are the known 5 senses. But right brain children do another one. 6 senses. 6 senses is the feel of the frequencies. Absorb the thoughts and the feeling. That's how they maneuver through the world. They can't verbalize a lot of things. Right? So that's why it's important for us to create a positive images for them. you.